Hey all. So I have put up my first video in a long time. Oh my goodness. Already, honestly, to fight sleep is a sin, mate, I'm telling you. But I just wanted to do a quick one. Just to say keep going. And I would say I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I'm talking to myself, but I don't need to hear that right now. But somebody else does. So keep going. I know you're tired. um, I know you can grow weary. I know it can be a lonely road, but you got this. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Just go to sleep. Wake up fresh and just choose to set your day differently. Like I said, excuse me for the yawning. I'm always going to be authentic. Not that other people are not, but I'm going to be as what it is at the time. Within reason, obviously. But yeah, have a wonderful, restful evening. And I will see you on the next post. Whilst I decide, although I have semi decided when I will be posting things. But for now, I'm just gonna keep stum. And after I've submitted some essays, maybe I'll let you know then. But I'll probably be posting on those days anyway. Have a good evening. Good evening. Good evening. I was gonna say good one. I'm waffling. I'm out.